is about personal qualities. Okay, make sure you jot it down because it might come up in the exam. Okay, first of all, we have analytical. You have to be analytical. Okay, the second one is confident. You have to be confident in order to gain respect to each other. Okay, you have to be confident in everything you do. Okay. Third one is creative. Why do we have to be creative? Anybody knows? This is because we want to make sure that our lesson is not that boring, and yeah. Fourth one is to have empathy. So, do you have